As we approach the Made by Google event on August 13, 2024, we'll have to wait a few more days for the Google Pixel 9 Pro. On June 26, 2024, Google posted a short video on social media featuring Roman numerals in a date format, hinting at this. Nearly a month after the teaser video was released on YouTube, it is official now. Many rumors are circulating about the Google Pixel 9 Pro, but the question remains, can we expect better from Google this time? The Google Pixel 8 Pro is Google's best flagship to date, topping charts for the best Android phones earlier this year. However, it has some drawbacks. The battery life is often insufficient for heavy users, and its large size can be difficult to use. The optical fingerprint sensor is inconsistent, causing frustration when unlocking the phone. Additionally, the high price makes it less accessible for budget-conscious consumers. While the camera is excellent, the software processing sometimes produces overly saturated images. The lack of expandable storage limits options for users needing more space. The Pixel 9 Pro seems to improve upon the strengths of the Pixel 8 Pro while addressing its weaknesses. With these promising upgrades, the August launch date gives Google a strategic advantage, potentially capturing consumer attention ahead of Apple's traditional September iPhone event. Meanwhile, you can watch an earlier video about rumors on our channel. In 2022, an insider leak accurately predicted several Google announcements. The leak suggested the Pixel 9 Pro would be available in two sizes: a Pixel Fold 6.7-inch model and a more compact 6.3-inch version, mimicking Apple's Pro and Pro Max models. However, recent renders propose a 6.1-inch display for the smaller Pixel 9 Pro. Regardless of exact screen sizes, design changes are evident. The distinctive camera bar has been reduced and is now contained within a vertical pill on the back. The camera system, a cornerstone of the Pixel experience, is expected to receive notable upgrades. The Pro models will likely feature a triple rear camera array, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The front-facing camera could see a significant upgrade to 42-megapixel, enhancing selfie quality and video call clarity. Additionally, whispers of variable aperture support and larger sensors suggest improved low-light performance. Last year, the Pixel 8 was powered by the Tensor G3 processor. There are rumors that the upcoming Pixel 9 series will come with the latest Tensor G4 processor and include Gemini Nano, which enhances its AI capabilities with new features. The specifications are mostly unknown, but it is likely that the Pixel 9 Pro will be equipped with the Tensor G4 chipset. However, the exact speed benefits are currently uncertain, although sources suggest it may be a smaller upgrade than initially planned. The Tensor G4 chip could incorporate important new technology from Samsung, the chip's manufacturer, potentially leading to improved performance and thermal management, bringing the new Pixel more in line with its competitors. There are also rumors suggesting that the new chip could feature 16 GB of RAM, an upgrade from the previous Pixel Pro models, which had 12 GB. This increased RAM could provide better multitasking and AI capabilities. Display technology is also getting a significant upgrade, with the Pixel 9 series adopting the M14 OLED screen used in the iPhone 16 Pro. This new display promises exceptional brightness, with the base Pixel 9 reaching 1800 nits and the Pro models achieving 2050 nits peak brightness, positioning the Pixel 9 series among the brightest smartphones available. The upcoming Pixel 9 series is set to build on Google's AI prowess, with enhanced on-device capabilities expected to play a prominent role. The Gemini Nano AI features, introduced in the Pixel 8 series, are likely to be expanded and improved. New AI-powered tools rumored for the Pixel 9 include advanced text-to-image conversion, enhanced Magic Compose for better text suggestions, and more sophisticated auto-reply features. Additional AI features may include an AdMe tool for group photo editing, a studio tool for AI image creation, and a searchable screenshot feature. When comparing the Pixel 8 Pro with the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro, several significant upgrades are evident. The Pixel 9 Pro is set to feature an M14 OLED screen with a peak brightness of 2050 nits, a substantial improvement over its predecessor. The switch to an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor addresses reliability issues found in previous models. Camera improvements include support for variable aperture and better ultrawide sensors. The new Tensor G4 processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM, promises enhanced performance and multitasking capabilities, though the upgrade may be less dramatic than initially expected. Design-wise, the Pixel 9 Pro features a reduced camera bar and potentially new color options. The inclusion of satellite connectivity and a new modem aims to resolve long-standing connectivity issues. While the Pixel 9 Pro excels in areas like display brightness and AI capabilities, the incremental nature of the processor upgrade might disappoint some users hoping for a more substantial performance leap. Google is expected to maintain the Pixel 8 Pro's starting price of $999, avoiding a price hike to keep the device competitive. While leaks and rumors hinted exciting upgrades for the Pixel 9 Pro, it's wise to remain skeptical until Google's official announcement on August 13, 2024. In the comments, let us know what improvements you hope to see in the new Pixel 9 Pro.